Hi loves, welcome back. It is a delight to have you here. If you are new here, my name is Bridget and a warm welcome to you. In today's video, we are going to be making a simple salad that is delicious and healthy, and it is a perfect side dish for the holidays, and this can be eaten at any time as well. I will list all the ingredients in the right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. I'm just going to be chopping my pepper, onion or red onion, grapes, cucumber, grape tomato or cherry tomato. I'm going to put everything together with a special salad dressing that I made. I have that video already on the channel. I'll link it in the description box below for you if you would like to try this recipe. So I know most people don't like onions in their salad or like to eat raw onions at all, but onions have amazing benefits. Let's talk about some of the benefits of eating raw pepper onions. It is more effective when eating raw because the heat in cooking sometimes destroy almost all of its benefits. 1. Pepper onion prevent the growth of cancer cells. This prevent the growth of tumor and also bacteria that affect or attack the urinary system. It controls diabetes by stimulating insulin production. It helps relieve constipation because of its high fiber content. It helps cure sore throat. It strengthens and protects the heart. Onions in general do that, but pepper onion especially protect against coronary heart diseases and also regulate blood pressure. Eating raw pepper onions help control or balance your cholesterol and also help lower your LDH, which is the bad cholesterol. The dressing I'm using on the salad is already on the channel. This dressing is light, non-greasy, with no egg, which is very good for most people, especially if you are pregnant, because you'll be advised not to eat raw egg, and most of the dressing have egg in it. So this will be a good option for you if you are pregnant, or if you are trying to eat healthy, or if you just want to eat something that is light, and this will be perfect for you. And it is just made with the simple and clean ingredient that you can think of, with few ingredients as well, and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video throughout, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for more amazing videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.